the good speaker and some colleagues are asking for queries. It seems I am lost. What really snagged the completion of CCMC? It seems that the speaker said perhaps the implementing department. Why? What's wrong with the implementing department? If it is true, it is caused by the implementing department. What is really the cause why the implementing department failed to comply, to finish the said CCMC, which is landmark as far as Pahina Central is concerned? Second, why is it that we need a qualified and independent consultant? What happened to the consultant now? Is he not qualified? I mean, can this consultant resolve the immediate completion of CCMC? Is there a guarantee? Now, if there are shenanigans as far as the delay, can we identify the persons concerned who caused the delay and then file a case before the ombudsman? If there's really an evidence showing that this person delayed, deliberately delayed the completion of CCMC. Can the good speaker answer to my queries?
Okay, thank you, Member Andales. That's a good point also. You've discussed that matter.
Anyone else, any comments?
I will answer rebuttal on the statement of our good Councilor Andales. We in the government, we have to accept there is a bureaucracy. That's the reason why we will urge the mayor to form a professional project management consultant so that we will also be apprised on what was really happening. Let's give the mayor an executive prerogative and to guide also our executive in regards to our requests, and let the mayor decide on it. We need this kind of another way to check not only CCMC, but if ever the mayor will convene this group, if it is not effective, so that is our inputs also. So we will give a chance to the executive to form these professional project management consultants so that we will also know what was really happening. But if you call the concerned agency or concerned department, the same as buak nga plaka. Nunay kang makadungog anang mga buak nga plaka. We will try. We will try.
Just a follow-up.
Mr. Chair.
Just a follow-up question. May I be allowed?
Andales.
Yes. I don't agree with your statement, Mr. Speaker, that we will accept bureaucracy in the government. That's a fatal statement as far as we are concerned. If there is such bureaucracy, show to us. Then we will file a case in court.
Come
Or before the
on.
ombudsman. It's unfair that you are branding us that we are accepting bureaucracy in the government.
Come on, Member Andales.
Would deny. I will not accept that sweeping statement. Second,
Do you think that you are Mr. Clean?
Yes.
yes. Second,
Yes, you are Mr. Clean.
what?
Are you a Mr. Clean?
Huh?
1
minute
sabon
recess,
break,
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Clean.
1 minute recess.
You have the floor.
1 minute recess.
1 minute. Okay.